Today, let's just start with the next topic in fundamentals of electrical engineering. The next topic is thermal power generation. What is thermal? Here, heat energy of coal combustion is converted into electrical energy. So here, coal is used as a fuel. We require a machine to generate electricity. That is called alternator. So that is the one which converts mechanical energy to electrical energy. So mechanical energy is required to rotate the turbine. So steam can be used as mechanical energy. If we convert steam to high pressure steam, then that will be used as a mechanical energy and we call that as a mechanical energy. So how do you generate the steam then? We have to raise the temperature of water and then water will boil and finally we get steam. So to rise the temperature of water, we require heat. So how the heat can be produced? The heat can be produced by using the coal combustion. That is, burning of coal takes place. Heat then converts water into steam. There are different units in thermal power plant. That first one is coal storage plant. We have coal storage plant. That coal storage plant will be transferred. It will be coal transferred from coal mines to here in coal storage. It will be transferred from coal mines from rail or roads, and then will be stored in coal storage plant. So from here to coal handling, it will come to coal handling plant. Here, coal is converted into pulverized coal. It will be crushed into small powder. So rate of combustion will be increased. That is, coal powder is sent next. That coal powder will be sent to the boiler. Here, boiler is very important unit. In the boiler, coal combustion takes place, and heat will be generated. So this heat is used to rise the temperature of water, and then water gets converted into steam. So boiler is heart of thermal power plant. So you can see here, this is heart of thermal power plant. Input for the boiler is pulverized coal and water. That water is converted into steam. And then that steam which is generated in the boiler is going to the steam turbine. And then that steam is again superheated and is converted into high pressure steam. So this high pressure steam is evaporated on the steam turbine and steam turbine rotates. After getting the work done, the pressure of the steam is reduced. And then that steam is sent to the condenser. And in condenser, water is sprinkled on steam. So steam is converted into water. And the same water is again fed to the boiler so that water is reused. The ash is collected during the coal combustion. So the ash from the boiler is transported to the ash handling plant where proper disposal of ash takes place. So there are certain units which increases the efficiency of thermal power plant. First one is air preheater. Okay, that is air can be used to increase the rate of combustion. Temperature of the air in the boiler is increased. How? The temperature of the air in the boiler is increased by using the heat of the fuel gases. So before fuel gases exposed to the atmosphere through chimney, the heat is being extracted by air preheater and the temperature of air increases, and then that air is used in the boiler. That's how the efficiency of the thermal power plant is increased, can be increased. You can see here, there are the different units. What are those? Chimney, precipitator, pulverizer, then here hash hopper, turbine, alternator. So here condenser, through feed water pump, the water is condensed and it's going back to the boiler. So this is a simple block diagram. Boiler, water, and from the turbine, exhaust steam. From the turbine here, the boiler condenser is there. So from the condenser, it's going back to the boiler. So next, coming to the advantages and disadvantages of thermal power plant. Coming to thermal power plant, advantages and disadvantages of thermal power plant. First advantages, it's less initial cost. As compared to other generating stations, and it requires less land as compared to hydropower plant. Next advantage is the fuel which is used as coal. It's a cheaper. Next, the cost of generation is lesser than that of diesel power plants. So these are the few advantages of thermal power plant: cost, land, and fuel, and generation cost compared to other power plant is compared, and those are the advantages. And coming to few disadvantages, it actually thermal power plant pollutes the atmosphere due to the production of large amount of smoke. So this is one of the causes of global warming. And one more is the overall efficiency of a thermal power station is low, that is less than 30%. So the overall efficiency of thermal power station is low and less than 30%. These are the few advantages and disadvantages of thermal power plant. Thanks for watching. For more such video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for any queries, we can write to us.